Alright guys, what's going on? I'm out here with my friend Cody today. We're going to try to get another bass for the pond. Don't worry, the bass is still in there. We're just trying to get another one because my pond's pretty big. So we're probably going to get one or two. If we can get two, that'd be great, but we're probably just going to get one. And I will see you guys when we're out there fishing. They might even get hit over there. I went right in front of the pipes too. Oh, that was right on the pipe, bro. That was so sick. You see him go on top of the pipe and eat it? He has a dot right underneath his chin. He choked it. Stuck me in the finger. That was sick. Back in your... Cody's already out there fishing. I'm gonna keep the chatterbait on. I have to put a new swim bait on it though. Oh, that's not even a bad one either. That's a good one.
That's a giant, bro. Oh my god, bro.
It looks skinny though. It looks really skinny. Dang. That would have been a big bass if...
Damn, he's got nothing. That's like a zombie bass, bro.
If this bass was fat, it'd be a solid 5 pounds. It hit it like a champ too. That thing smacked it. If this bass was fat, that thing would be going straight in the pond. But sadly, it's really skinny. Oh. Oh. That's not even that wasn't even a bad fish. That was a good fish.
That was like 200 to 300.
For sure. There was just a fish right there. Like a good one right there. Just literally moved all the weed. Holy shoot, that was scary, bro. That's a chunky fish, bro. Look how chunky he is. He ate some mud. Jig right in the top of the mouth. Just like that. That is a straight football. Let's get him back in the water right here. Are you kidding me? Are you for real? Did you actually just lose that fish?
Yeah.
Oh, I just had a nice one. I don't get how you lost that fish. You literally had it on. Oh. Oh yeah. Chunk. Chunk.
Most of these fish are like fat. That one that you caught was just like
Keep it hooked.
That's like, this is the first time I've like lost a fish on it. I've never hooked a fish on it.
Boom.
That thing's crushed.
Dude, they're whacking the chatterbait. Whacking this thing right here. Oh, it messed up the freaking body. That was a good fish too. What the hell? Oh my god, did you see that? Hello. What? Yeah, a whole bunch of bass. Yeah. I'm using a chatterbait.
Oh.
It's kind of like a swim jig, but like with this thing, it like rattles it.
Is that what you like to use?
Yeah.
What are you using?
Big old swim bait.
Oh, you know, are you gonna be here for a while?
Probably, yeah.
Can I take my dog down here? I have a ton of lures. I'll bring you some lures.
All right, thank you.
Sure.
That really nice lady that was talking to us just a few minutes ago just came over and gave us 3 Huddleston Deluxe 5-inch. I think this one's a bass, then this is a rainbow trout, and this one's a shad. Or I might got these two mixed up, I don't know. And then she gave us a super sick sebile. Let me focus it on it. A super sick sebile, which is gonna get whacked, just like the other baits. And a few like poppers and topwater baits and some worms. That is insane. So now we're gonna get back to fishing after that quick little giveaway that she did to us. Oh my god, bro! That was a giant, bro.
I watched him come up. Did you get that on camera when he jumped out?
Probably, yeah.
How big was that?
That was a 6-7 pounder, easily. I don't think I've ever said this in one of my videos, but we absolutely crushed him in that lake. Well, I did. Cody still hasn't caught one. But we absolutely crushed him in that lake. We're gonna go head over, get a drink or two, and then we're gonna go see if we can catch some more fish on maybe swim baits or jigs. So I'll see you guys when we're over there fishing on the lake. That's a good one, bro. That's a giant, bro. That's a fucking bro. That's a good fish, bro. That's a good one. That's a really good fish, bro. Just don't get yourself hooked when you grab them.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice guy.
Oh, not as big as I thought he was, but
Still not bad. That's gotta be 3.5, almost 4 maybe.
dude, he got that thing in his throat, bro.
That's a good fish.
That's a really good fish, bro.
Do you want it?
I don't know, should we? There we go. On this, bro. Let's get a few pictures and then get them in the cooler. Is it focused?
Yeah.
Like clear?
Yeah. That's good.
He's got him over there. He's gonna bring him over here. He's got the bass now. We better put him in. He's just gonna get all revived back in the cooler. We're gonna fish for a little bit longer, see if we can catch another one, so we can put 2 in today. But we're gonna go put this inside the van, and then we're gonna get back fishing. Doing good? We're gonna go get back to fishing right now. Oh, right there, bro, right there. Dude, that thing is pissed off.
Look how fat. Oh my god.
Dude, that's just straight football, bro. Look at that thing's stomach.
Yeah, that thing's so fat.
That's crazy. All right, let's get this little sucker back in the water. Woo! Solid. Oh, I got a fish too.
Oh my god. What the hell?
Dude, that's a big fish too. Bro, go grab the line. Go grab the line, bro.
What is happening?
Go grab the line. Go grab the line. Go grab the line. Go grab the line. That's a good fish too. Should we put him in?
Oh, that's a bag. Yeah, we can put him in. Then if we cold, we can put in a bigger one if we catch one bigger. It's a nice fish.
It doesn't even matter if it's really fat, 'cause it's gonna get fat. It's literally like, it'd be like a 1 pound fish. It's just so fat, it's like 2.5 pounds. That was a good fish too. It's a good fish.
Oh, he might be bigger than the first one. Yeah. Like close to the same size. He's a little bit big.
Dude, this one's like a straight football, bro.
Do you want that one?
No. Bro, something's wrong with it. See that?
Oh, he's been caught before.
Not just caught before, someone molested this thing. Look at that. Chunkaroo dilly doo. Back in the water. That thing soaked me, bro. Oh my god, bro. Hey, Kody. 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 Bro, it's a good one. It's a good one.
Oh yeah, dude, that's... I got one.
Bro, I soaked my shoes. Bro, it was literally second cast. I almost just broke the GoPro, but like, just ruined my Sperry's for sure.
Look at that.
For sure. That's like the size of the other one too.
Probably a little bigger. That fish was so
I yelled your name like 20 times before you heard
I
me.
didn't hear you. Dude, that fish was so close. He's bigger than the other one. I think the other one weighs more because it's fatter.
Probably.
Dude, those are gonna go big.
Oh my god, bro. That's a good fish. That's a good fish too, bro. Dude, that's a good fish, bro. That's another nice fish. Kody! Dude, this thing is so fat. They're literally all just straight chunky fish. They're not bad fish at all. Alright, so that's how I'm gonna end the day. Right there. On that note, breaking off. Alright guys, so we got him in here. The one I just caught is slightly bigger than the other one. We're gonna go, oh, catch him all, catch him all, catch him all. What the hell? Oh, alright, we gotta put this sucker back in here. Alright guys, we just made it back to the house with the 2 bass. We're gonna go put them inside the pond right now. There it is. Alright, we just got the 2 bass. We're gonna put them in the pond now. We're bringing over here. We got one over there, one over here, and then, of course, we've got the other bass and the peacock right here. Alright guys, so that's how I'm gonna end the video today. We caught too many bass today, but we brought 2 back to the pond. So now we have 3 bass in the pond and 1 peacock. So drop a comment down below on what you think that we should name them and what else you think we should put in the pond. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Adios. Oh, right there, cichlid. What the